Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Hamster Kombat to your Tone wallet. It's pretty simple what you need to do, but before I show you how to do it, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is open the Hamster Kombat bot in your Telegram app, navigate to the airdrop at the bottom right center of the bot interface, as you can see. Then click on the first task, which involves connecting your Tone wallet. So you can see, click on this. Once you have clicked on it, you can either select the Tone wallet or Tone keeper. But for this video, I'll use the Tone keeper wallet. So follow this step, connect your wallet, click on connect wallet, and a prompt will appear confirming the app won't move funds without your permissions. So you need to connect the wallet. After that, verify the connection, wait for the wallet to load and confirm that it has been connected. A confirmation message should appear indicating that your wallet is linked successfully. So you can see it's going to look like this, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.